Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today in this video I am going to teach you how you can get the location and other information from an IP address. So yes, you can get a lot more information by using an IP address. So let's see how we can get this information. So for this you need to install or you need to clone a repository from the GitHub. So you need to have the installed Git in your system, so which by default will be installed in the systems. So in the Kali system, so if you have not installed Git, then you can just carry out apt install Git and your Git will be installed. So now let's first clone the repository. So the link of the repository has been given in the description as well. You can just get it from there. So let's clone this. So before cloning, let me change my directory to workspace as I want to keep my system neat. So now let's clone our repository. So here we are cloning a repository into the workspace directory, and you can see that that a folder named IP geolocation has already been created. So let's jump into it. IP geolocation. So here you can see that there are many files, and one file among them is ipgeolocation.py, and the main thing you need to run this is Python, which will be already installed in the Kali Linux version. So now first of all let's see what's there in the readme file. So it's better to see every time before installing, so that we may get some important news or information from this. So this file gives us how to use it and how to export it into the CSV file, and you can even see the different options that are available in the program, and all the information what it can give to you, like the ASIN, city, country code, internet service provider, latitude, longitude, and along with this you can even get the direct link of the Google Maps as well. And you can see that you can retrieve the IP or the domain of geolocation. You can even track your own IP geolocation, and you can retrieve it from a list of IP addresses. You can give it together, and you can even use proxy support in order to hide yourself. So now let's install this. So to install you need to pass the command pip3. So if pip3 is not installed in your system, then you can just carry out this command. So here, so I'll be giving this command in the description as well. So I've already installed pip, so I'm just running the installation for this IP geolocation. So just pass this command and you're ready to go. So pip3 install our requirements.txt and user. So we are going to give the requirements. We are going to install it. So you can see that requirement already satisfied because I have already installed this previously. So now let's again list all the files. So in order to run the file you need to run Python. So Python 3, as I am using Python the latest version, and here we are going to open the ipgeolocation.py, and let's check what is in the help section. So there are many things that you can do. You can get your information about your own IP address. You can get from the target. You can use a file. You can get from the user agent. You can use the proxy servers. You can export the results and many more. So let's try a few of these, and as you can try by your own. And if you have any doubts, then you can just comment me down in the comment section and I'll reply to that. So now let's first check about our personal IP address. So I'm going to run the command. And in order to get your own IP address, just pass the command, and you need to type -m, which will give you your IP address, that is 117.192.113.210. as you can see, as located in my system. So it gives me city Mangalore, country India, and all the other details. So now let's see how we can get an IP address from the IP address by actually typing the IP address. So first of all, let me open a new terminal. So let me jump into my workspace directly. So you can see that there is a file called IP address. So I'm going to open it. Let's check what we have in the file, sorry. So you can see that there are many IP addresses. So let me just copy this, which belongs to Google. So and let me run it over here. So just pass target and your IP address, and you're going to get all the information. So this IP address belongs to Google and it refers to Chennai server. So as I'm residing in India, it's locating the Chennai server. So now if you just copy and paste this URL in your any default browser or your browser, you're going to get the location, which indicates latitude 13.0827 and longitude 80.2737. So now let's see how we can run the entire file at once and get the IP address. So now what you need to do is you need to pass this command again, ip-geolocation.py along with target, and you're going to specify the directory. So it's in my work space, and you're going to name the file. So it's retrieving IP information field. Let me check it once again. So it's asking for to provide a valid or IP address. So let me just check it once again. So you can see it's in the root, workspace and IP address, and I have passed it right as well. Okay, so I need to, instead of target, I need to pass capital T. I think so, yes. So let me check the help section once again. You have to pass capital T, and here you go. And you're going to get information of all the IP address that were listed in the file. So you can see the last IP address belongs to Twitter and it refers to San Francisco, and you can get many more things. So if you want to directly open this, like if you want to just open this in your default directory, then just press C and you're going to get the information, that's the location directly open in Google Maps in your default browser. So if you don't want to print all these details in your terminal, then you can just pass the command no print, and all your details will be will not be printed. So you can even save these information in the file, as you can see, Python 3 ip-geolocation.py, and I'm going to pass help. So you can see you can store it in the form of a txt file, csv file and xml file, and even you can use proxy. At present I have not used any proxies. So if you want to know how you can use proxy in your system in order to hide the IP address, I have already created a video on it. You can get the link of that video from the description. So you can try many other details from here. So I have many options in order to get the details from an IP address, and you can even track anyone from their IP address. So all in the video. So in this video I've taught you how you can get information from an IP address. So if you like this video, please do subscribe to this channel and also click on the bell button to receive the notifications of all the new videos from this channel. And thank you for watching, and if you have any comments, then please do tell me, and I'm going to solve all your doubts. And let's see upcoming videos, and I'll be uploading more videos like this in this channel. So subscribe, and thank you for that.